Okay, end of Wednesday. I guess it's day 4, but again, it's a half day. I didn't get here till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I got all the plywood down. I got a bunch of stuff moved around. I got the bar up here, but for some reason, I only seem to have bought 2 of these. I really did think I bought 4, but only 2 came here, so I don't have the piece. These pieces will go like that. So, but I don't have those pieces, so I gotta go buy them. And then, don't mind the mess, but this is what's happening in the closet. It's kind of a disaster, so I'm gonna also make a bar in here to hang clothes with the closet. And I also replaced the toilet door lock. So it's just a very simple, that little thing on the outside is green, unless it's locked then it's red. And also I noticed the bottom of the door is kind of coming off, so I'm going to bring some clamps tomorrow. And I have glue, but I need to bring some clamps because I'm going to clamp it and glue it so that it doesn't do that anymore. So that's the color of the flooring. It was on sale, got a really good price on it. It's a really good quality product, and I paid about half price for it compared to normal. So, but I got 3 boxes and 1 piece, and I need just under 3 boxes, so there's really no room for air. Now this room is basically a rectangle, and there's not even anything to cut around, so this should go together pretty quickly. But I don't have my air compressor and my air stapler, so I got to bring those tomorrow. And I also brought my old sliding compound miter saw because my new Milwaukee, as much as I love it, won't do the 12-inch stroke that this one will. And boy, I know why I like my new Milwaukee better though, because this thing, it's got to weigh 3 times as much as the Milwaukee. That being said, this was made in 1991 and it still works fine. You know, I mean, that's what, 30 years? Pretty good. And I bought it used. I didn't buy it in 91. I bought it used 15 years ago, something like that. 20 years ago maybe. And it works great, but it is a heavy beast compared to the Milwaukee. But I really doubt the Milwaukee will last 30 years. So, you know. Anyways. So yeah, I got to go now to the hardware store and buy those 2 things that I forgot and get the stuff for the closet, because I really want to do that. This apartment it's a nice little apartment, but I think it needs to be a little bit better taken care of. And one of the reasons why I think it's not being so taken care of is because it's kind of run down. So it's time to fix that up and make it a little nicer, and then hopefully the tenant will take care of it a little bit better. If you know what I mean. What do they call it? The broken window policy. So yeah, but we'll see. Whatever. At the end of the day, the floors really needed doing. And Jim, if you're watching, buddy, this isn't really structural. It's just kind of a spacer, because I took the tatami out, which are like that thick, and the flooring, as you can see, it's only like half an inch thick. So I need to make up that space. And so you put those sleepers in, and I put the insulation because why not? And then I put the plywood on, and it's 15 mil because that's the size it needed to be. Depending on the thickness of the tatami, you can go with like a 30 millimeter board as a sleeper, and then 12 mil plywood and 12 mil flooring. You know, but this one I needed 15 mil plywood, and I'll be just oh, knees are hurting. See, that'll be just recessed a little bit, not a lot, but just a little bit, so that, you know, because this board here goes all the way around the room. There's no baseboards, so I also got to make my cuts very good, and or get some dark colored caulking. Anyways, it's time to head out. So here I am at the end of the 4th half day. In the morning I had stuff to do. I had to go see another client about an upcoming job, and I had to go to the bank and some other stuff, which is all cool. Got to get those stuff done. But so I got here again around 1 o'clock, and it's, I don't know, 5 o'clock now, 5:30. So maybe not, 5 o'clock. So yeah, so, you know, another half day, but I got a lot done. And working on my knees all day, I have to say, half days are kind of nice because the knees are sore. Even with good knee pads, they're sore. Not used to this, you know. Well, I mean, I've got bad knees. It's just the life. So, anyways, everybody, thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that like button, and tell your friends. Leave a comment. I love to read the comments. Really, really enjoy that. Anyways, everybody, take care. Bye bye.